In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profit in trading 212. Before we jump into the platform specifics, let's get clear on what a take profit actually is. A take profit order is a preset instruction that automatically closes your trade when the price reaches a level you choose, so your gains are locked in without you having to watch the screen all day. Think of it as your exit plan when things go your way. Now, Trading 212 has two main ways to handle this, and it depends on the type of account you're using. If you're trading with a CFD account, the platform gives you a built-in take-profit tool. If you're using an Invest or ISA account, where you own the actual stocks or ETFs, you'll use a sell limit order to achieve the same result. The idea is the same in both cases. You pick a target price, and the system closes your position when the market hits it. Let's start with CFDs. Open your active position from your portfolio so you can see the details for that trade. Look for the Profit, Loss, or Modify section. There, you'll find the Take Profit option. Toggle or enable it. Next, enter the exact price at which you want your position to close for a profit. Take a moment to make sure the price you enter matches your plan. If you're in a long or buy position, your take profit should be above the current market price. If you're in a short or sell position, set it below the current price. When you're happy with the level, save or confirm the order. From that point, the platform will automatically close the position once the price reaches or exceeds your chosen level. While you're there, you can also add a stop loss on the same position to define your maximum acceptable loss, which helps balance your risk and reward. If you're using an Invest or ISA account, the process is slightly different because there isn't a single automatic take profit button. Instead, you'll use a sell limit order. Go to the stock you already own in your portfolio and tap Sell. Choose Limit, not Market. Enter your target price, the level at which you want the shares to be sold to secure profits. Then confirm the order. Your sell limit will sit in the system and only execute if the market reaches that price, effectively locking in your gains. That's it. Decide your target, set it correctly for your account type, and let Trading 212 handle the exit for you.